Tips for choosing a sweet watermelon with good quality. 1. Pay attention to the watermelon stalk. If you want to get a sweet watermelon, you can look at the watermelon frame. If you see a dry watermelon stalk, it indicates that the watermelon is ripe. 2. Pay attention to the size of the watermelon. In this section, it is recommended to choose medium-sized watermelons, not too small or too large. This is because a watermelon with good quality will have a weight that is in accordance with the size of the fruit. 3. Seeing from the yellow spot. To get a sweet watermelon, we can see from the skin which has yellow spots. The yellow color can indicate that the watermelon is ripe above the ground. 4. Avoid watermelon with white spots. If the watermelon has yellow spots, the watermelon has a sweet taste and is well ripe. But watermelon with white spots is the opposite because it could be watermelon with white markings that are not fully ripe and will not give a sweet taste. 5. Patting the watermelon. At this point maybe you can try patting the watermelon. If the sound is not too loud, it means that the spirit is ripe and has quite a lot of water content. 6. Choose a watermelon with a dark green line. The characteristics of a ripe watermelon can be seen from the color of the lines on the watermelon skin. If the color is getting darker and the line is sharper, it means that the watermelon has a sweet taste. May be useful.